Hello guys, this is SehatCare AI health assistant which is made on top of Gamma model. So if you could see in this screen, we have a unlock screen. We have to first add a password in this. So once we let us wait for few seconds. Yeah, now I have started to add a password. So if I add a password here, it will try to unlock. My app will be unlocked. So initially you have to register this app. Like you have to put your pin, and it is completely offline. You don't have to sign in anywhere. So you have it's on the pin basis face unlock. So yeah, now you can see you are in the home page. So if you could see, you can, this is like AI model you have to select. So which AI model you have to select? This is made on top of Gamma. So you could see like we have multiple options: Hugging Face model or Google Drive options. So 4B and 2B, we have two type of models currently. You can go with 2B if your model processor is little strong, and if you have already downloaded, you can use the last option. So in my case, it's the already downloaded, so I am going to select it. So I have selected my app. Now it's going to load. So it's loading. So it can take 15-20 seconds because it's kind of 2.5 GB model, so it can take some time. So its processing also depends on how faster your model it is. So if your model is sorry, if you how fast your phone, it depends on phone completely. If your phone is very good quality and high processing, it can process answers very fast. So now it's open. Now you are in the home page. We can see we have uh, my home page is ready. We can have lot of features in my home page. You could see like chat AI with doctor, describe symptoms. So you could see like health reports, medicine reminders, scan prescription, vitals tracker, family profiles, languages, mental health schemes, menstrual cycle, drug interactions. A lot of features we have added in this app, and it's completely offline. At some places, for minor things, you could need an internet uh, to see this. So yeah. So let us come. Now we came to chat section. You can directly chat to the AI. So this is the previous chats. You can now clear the chat. So few auto suggestions also used to get. You have this clock symbol where you can create a new sessions, new chat. So a lot of things you can do. You can chat with this AI assistant to know what is the health condition. This is some auto suggestions we have. So delete button is also there. We can delete our sessions. We can clear our sessions. This is health reports. What chats you have done, what symptoms you have collected. It is stored here in this health reports. These are some of my previous testing reports. You could see health reports are there, and it could be used for the few for other features also. So this is my profile page. So if you could see about SehatCare is there, sharing is there. So you can share through WhatsApp, Facebook. A lot of options is there. This is about like okay, what each features do. It's completely explained properly how you have to use these features, how the SehatCare app you can use. And this is if you want to change your AI model. Suppose if I want to change my AI model, I can change through this. Sign in settings means if I have to change any pin and all, I can do. I would change my name. And through the, if you could lock app means I will completely come out and I have to use the pin again. So these are the my profile page. Few functionalities is there. So now come to the home page again. Now come to check symptoms. In check symptoms, you have to write few details about yourself, like age, gender, weight, height, location. Once you do this, save this, and then you can ask your symptoms. So suppose I will put some symptoms now, like headache and fever. If I put, and if I press analyze symptom, this is to be tested by classifier model. which is trained on the medbird model on the very high amount of data. So it found like, okay, it could not understand, okay, what symptom it is. So now it will go directly to ask a bot what next we have to do. So this will come to bot, and it the your that bot the SehatCare app will try to do the follow-up questions, and it will try to undiagnose it. Okay, what disease you have now? So red color is for stop the chat, blue color is for send the chat, find doctor means in your area you can find a doctors. There is audio button is also there, upload button is also there, you can upload the doctor prescriptions. A lot of things you can do with this, and this is completely offline. And yeah, and this is done to be taken care by health only. So this is some audio functionality is there. Find doctor functionality you can see in my area. Now come back to next feature. This is prescriptions. We can give the prescriptions to the my game model, and it can automatically create reminders when I have to take my medicines. This is for trackers, vital trackers like sugar, weight, temperature, and once I have daily basis, then it will gamma can analyze on the daily basis also. This is some fasted information kits. Suppose you don't have an internet, or you are in very panic situation, you can use this. Is the symptom diary, like everyday basis you can enter the symptoms, and after 10 days, 7 days, you can put analyze what will happen. It will try to understand your situation, what is happening to you. This is kind of vaccines. You have what vaccines you can take. This is for, suppose if you want to go to doctor, okay, if you want to know what should I ask a question about to doctor, it will help you to prepare what questions I could ask about related to my symptoms. So this is all done by the AI model which is installed in it. So now come to this is mental health. So this is very small thing where you can understand, okay, what whether you are depressed or your anxiety is there. So very small thing we have taken here to understand your situation. So this is for women, especially menstrual cycle. You can track and you can do the analysis. These are few health schemes for the kids. We can basically tell you can track your kids government schemes, what it belongs in each state, or you can also add your schemes, or add also websites where the schemes are present. Now come to drug interactions. So what kind of drugs you interaction can be very deadly. So it's mentioned you can put your interactions also, but few interactions already it's mentioned in there which you should not be take it with that particular medicines. Now it's emergency, like in emergency this is ambulance help, find ambulance near me, call 108. So this is in India, it will be followed. This is nearby hospitals. So what hospitals present nearby you, so that you can go directly to those hospitals. And this in 5 people contacts you can add in this emergency template, and it's ready. So once if you can add 5 templates with name and relations. So yeah guys, this is all features is present, and you can use above the describe symptom to add, go to symptom chat where I've discussed earlier. So yeah, so just let us know how the app it is. So we have tried to solve a major problems of people for especially it's for adults.